We're here at Surfers Point on beautiful Wadandi Budja for the Think Mental Health WA trials.
Yeah, so happy to get into the main event for the trials. It's a really good opportunity for all the Western Australian surfers to come up against the world's best.
It's definitely like a huge achievement to win the trials. It's such a special moment for me, and I'm really stoked.
Yeah, we're really excited to partner with Healthway and the new mental health campaign around Think Mental Health. I think it's an incredibly important message.
Today we've got board member, committee members and presidents from all throughout the state, and it's a really great opportunity to educate those people on the importance of having the conversations about good mental health.
You know, it'll be quite a reflective day, I would think. You know, I know a lot of the people in there. I know they'd like to make a difference in their communities.